welcome back to another video, guys. I am Carl. Yeah, call me Carl. Yeah, and I am back with Kusa. Oh my God, that's loud. The music is so loud. I don't know why. Mm. But I made sure to you can just hear my voice. Wait. Yeah. Oh my God. That's why I turn up the music. I accidentally turned on the bro. There's only one person here. What the fudge? I'm gonna join the 124. Should I join that? Yeah, I'm gonna join that. Be right back with you guys. Okay, I am back, guys. The thing is, I don't know if I'm lagging or the screen is lagging. Because this phone is so fast. I don't even know if it will lag. Okay, let's go, let's go. I'm gonna check out the gate. I'm gonna see if they're doing a great job. Yeah. Ooh, an OT. That's okay. Ooh, I can't fast this. Ooh, look at them. Look at them waiting in the line. Okay! Bro, no way. Thought he reported me. I know! Jesus Christ. I don't wanna risk it. Yeah, I'm gonna go out. Because I don't wanna cause trouble. The million there's an officer training right now. There's an OT happening. Where's the OT? There's some people waiting for the training here. I'm gonna be generous and do the training. I'm thinking like about training 2 people only. I don't wanna train so much people. It pisses me off. I need a co-host. I don't know. I can't lock the training because I can get demoted. Shut up, nutcracker. Please, no one join. Please, please, please. This is the only training. E2, E4, E3, E2. Okay. Yeah, I can train this without losing brain cells. Yeah, sure, I can do it. Yo, that's the stuff I reported. What the Sigma? Okay, Roblox. I'm not gonna spam. Well, 5 minutes is up. I'm gonna no way. Bruh. Bruh. Okay, I'm gonna start up simple. am gonna introduce myself. This will take like 20 hours to finish or 1 hour. I'm gonna cut the video right here for now. The thing about this game, it's super fun to play, but also boring at the same time. In a um, do you get more XP in a special unit? I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, no, it doesn't. Yeah, I locked this training. Get the hell away. Thanks, call. Okay, okay. We're gonna begin with a rule. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh, I'm not. I'm gonna. Let's begin with the rules. Okay. Since this guy is talking without permission, I'm gonna. He will be shocked. Yeah. What the Sigma? Yeah. Or EPTS for emergency PTS, you know. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was weird. I feel like I have to poop. Yeah, I'm just kidding. Roblox, you're pissing me off. Come on, Roblox, I need a bottle of water. You respect. I am teaching them to respect and you're tagging me, you stupid Roblox. Oh my Christ. Bro. Search the world through my area and find my way today. I search the world through my hand and find. I swear to God. Oh my God, I swear to God, bro. I swear to God. I swear to God I'm gonna be a good boy. But I keep doing sins. Yeah. With a Sigma. Girl. Sigma. Sigma. Girl. Where am I? Ah. Okay, I'm gonna skip the part here, guys. Okay, this is the fun part. They will follow wherever I go. Where you go, I go. Yeah, look. They're like bots. Come on, bro. Let's go over to the blackmail. Spin! Good boy. Okay. Okay, okay. Good enough. Yeah, sure. Okay. I gave them a note, so I said only center face can break the control. Let's see if they know it. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. I swear to God, bro. I told them this. Oh my gosh, bro. No, Damas, I said love. Now I'm feeling bad. I'm gonna cut a video right here for now. I swear to God, I'm gonna kill this motherfucker. Oh my gosh, bro. Get the hell away. Out of the freaking it. If this game just has BC in it, I'm gonna yell at this dude so freaking much. I swear to God, bro. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna call a staff here. Oh my gosh. Hurts so world to my hurt back away. This is the part where it gets cool. Look. This is the part. Ooh, come on. That's my bodyguards. And fire. Uh, the other guy is at console, so go go go, fire wheel. Damn! Shoot at that, shoot at that. Shoot, shoot at that. What did I just witness? What the fudge? Okay, that's enough. Ceasefire, damn. Oh my gosh. Ceasefire! Order. Okay, we're gonna move on to the Abbey which is the hardest part. Okay guys, I'm gonna be back. Yo, I didn't know there was a new update. Whoa. Whoa. No way. Okay, I'm gonna they already know the thing. But I'm gonna say it anyways. The Abbey. Obi. I search it over. Okay. Damn. It's only that. So chill out. Oh, my hand hurts. I'm gonna die. Of course they understood. Understood. Yes, Cole. Oh my gosh, this stupid motherfucker. I think there's no capital in console, so yeah. Acceptable. He's the only one who's wrong, dumb shit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My microphone. Okay, I think this is. Oh, okay, I think it's better. Yeah. Come on. Oh my gosh. Okay, I see. This is the easiest part. What do you mean? I can do this wherever, whenever. Go on. Can do it, man. Bro, I can do this in a million times. Oh my gosh, this is the easiest one. Go. Go. Go, go, go. Oh my gosh. Go. Oh my gosh. Go. Go. I am on mobile. And he... Okay, let's go. Come here. Come on. Oh my gosh. Go. I thought he said fat people. Yeah, understandable. I'm gonna skip to the bro. Okay, that's a username. There isn't even a single staff in here. Fuck. I hate Roblox. I hate Roblox. Let's start AC, okay? I swear to God. I swear to. Oh my gosh. Bro, look like my dog. Yeah, sure, go. Question 2. What rank is E4? haven't even. I'm gonna cut my eyes. Corfular. SW. F-W. Question 3. What does MP stand for? Okay, here you is first. Stand always in my head. Are you fucking dumb? Are you fucking dumb? You fucking bullshitter? Are you Oh my fucking shit. Search the word from my head. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna turn off my headset. Okay guys, the final one. Wait. Bro. Will be this me? Wala, manok. Isa lang. Meron ba? Yeah, because yeah. La, wait. La, okay, here. He is a E5 sergeant. What? Okay, here, last one. Yeah, he isn't. Bye guys, I hope you like the video. Don't subscribe because I hate you. Yeah, yeah.